This isn't his first time doing this. It's not even his first time getting caught doing it at this exact store. Here's how it fell apart for him. Loss prevention flags 2 subjects. One of them is walking toward the other, and officers move in fast before anything can go sideways. He doesn't fight it, but he's not exactly calm either, and it turns out there's a reason for the extra caution.
Park unit, the second subject is walking towards the first subject.
No, my man! Do me a favor.
What?
Just turn around, put your hands behind your back real quick. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Just put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back, dude. Don't fight.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Just relax. Relax.
Put your phone on top of the hood. Just put it on top of the hood. Put
Relax.
your phone.
Give me this hand, please. Thank you. Don't move. Listen. Relax. I got you.
Victor 2, we've got that male in custody. Share.
10-4, the male in the jacket in custody, 1707 hours.
Spread your legs out. Spread them out. Don't move from the hood. Just spread your legs out. Spread your legs out. There you go. The whole point is for you to get uncomfortable, my man.
Set hold, please.
10-4.
You got anything on you that's going to stake your poke me? What? No. Nope. Lean away from the car.
Let me know when you want to switch sides. I'll switch for every round.
Drop the phone down
Dice point. Where'd you let go? Put your phone back in your pocket. So flipping all over the place. We gotta walk over to that car over there.
Copy at 27 when you're ready.
26, go ahead.
Window, or you want to
Take them out. Go ahead with the description. I'm gonna come off for a second. Good, you help? Good. We'll come behind the car. Sit back in the car.
That's for passenger ID at 17 hours.
You went ahead and be with them. I'm gonna go get everything from the
Yeah. I'll meet you back at the. Huh? Yeah, we ain't got shit on him. I'll meet you up front.
What the fuck's the difference? I need everything to charge them engine.
He says it needs 600.
I don't care about 6 other ones. 6 other ones is previous cases.
No, 600.
Oh. I was about to say, I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, this ain't Walmart. Yeah, this guy's a repeat. This is a Walmart.
Because he was audible about the fact that he didn't like me getting out the front.
Right there's all the liquor. Still have my spider apps and shit on it too. And then, hold on. Let me take a picture of this, and this is all your. Damn, bro, he wasn't even kidding.
No, he don't care.
Good for him.
Hey, take it out, lay it out, so we can do a straight photo of it with titles on it.
You're so.
Yeah, I'm so professional. Fuck you.
You said you wanted to handle it, so now handle it.
So I ain't gonna waste you guys' time.
5:56 prior to. You guys got it on video?
So I got him selected everything, and then I hit the floor. So he was trying to look for him for a minute.
If you want to verify it. But
No, I just want to know if I'm sending you a link.
I'm gonna say I'm
If
signing
I'm
the
sending you
papers.
a
I
link,
was
or if I'm
physically
just telling you that you're following on foot.
Yep. I was following because I got the selection on camera on there.
I don't want to get
Mr. Man all mad.
affirmation.
That's all right. I'm just trying to help you out.
You got the selection and the passing through and apprehension on camera.
And
Okay.
the running from apprehension.
Obviously, I'll take the video too.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you everything.
Yeah, he's in charge.
So who do I need to send the link to?
Me, I'm gonna be the one that detained or attempted to detain him.
Watch yourself.
Are you doing that today, brother?
That's the bottles from me.
Oh,
Don't go under ringing.
Getting everything to you. Yeah, this was a quick case. I'll have everything to you in the next half hour.
Oh, okay, good, because I'll upload it.
Yeah, because especially in this case. Yep. What's up?
No, I'm sending you the link.
No, you good. I'm just making sure that I got everything. He can look at it if you want.
He came out of the auto shop on foot.
He did?
Yeah.
Might have been getting his car or something fixed or something.
No, their car, so I've been here before.
Cars on the side.
They park on that side street.
You know, was
That's
it
why you ran.
that temp car that was over
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
The temp tag, the little
Yeah.
hatchback or whatever? Yeah.
Oh, was it a white vehicle?
No, it was like a dark
Oh,
gray
okay.
little hatchback with a temp tag. I saw it as we were heading over there. You can actually just leave it there. I'm gonna take my pictures and everything too.
Alright, well, let me,
According to officers, he's been arrested at this same location before, and the first time they went to grab him, he actually thought about fighting it. A K9 unit on standby was apparently enough to settle that debate pretty quickly. Then comes the bag, not a bottle, not two, a full bag, laid out one by one so every label can be photographed for the case file. And loss prevention isn't guessing on this one. They've got him on camera the whole way through. Selection, concealment, walking straight past every point of sale. That's not an accident on tape. That's the entire case, time-stamped. But he wasn't alone. There's a second person involved, and this one didn't stick around. A temporary tag, a nondescript hatchback, gone from the lot before anyone can stop it. One suspect in cuffs, one car description going out over the radio. A guy with a history at this exact store, a bag of liquor with the label still on, and footage covering every single step from the shelf to the door. There wasn't a version of this where the video didn't tell the whole story by itself. Loss prevention hands over the receipt, the photos, and the full video. Everything needed to build the case is done before the tow trucks even show up. One guy in custody, one car still out there, and a bag of alcohol that's never making it home with him. Would loss prevention teams be more effective if stores actually stopped repeat offenders sooner, or is this exactly how it should work? Tell me what you think below.